Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. General passage on sports. Dictation exercise number 9. Speed 100 words per minute. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Indian traditional sports have a rich and diverse history, deeply rooted in the country's culture and heritage. These games, many of which date back thousands of years, were not just forms of recreation but also tools for physical fitness, mental discipline, and even military training. Some of the most popular traditional sports include kabaddi, kho-kho, mallakhambh, and kushti, wrestling. These games reflect India's ethos of teamwork, agility, strength, and strategy. While modern sports like cricket and football have gained widespread popularity, traditional games continue to hold significance, especially in rural areas, where they are played with great enthusiasm. Many of these games have even found international recognition, with efforts being made to revive and promote them on global platforms. One of the most iconic traditional Indian sports is kabaddi, a game of agility and strength that has ancient origins, dating back to the Vedic period. The game requires players to hold their breath while raiding the opponent's court, tagging players, and returning safely. Over the years, kabaddi has evolved into a highly competitive sport with professional leagues like the Pro Kabaddi League, making it widely popular across India and beyond. Another well-known game is kho-kho, a team-based sport that requires speed, quick reflexes, and strategy. Originating in Maharashtra, kho-kho is played by chasing and tagging opponents within a limited time. This game not only improves stamina but also sharpens reflexes and decision-making skills, making it a favorite among school and college students. Apart from team sports, India has a rich tradition of individual athletic disciplines like mallakhambh and kushti. Mallakhambh, an ancient form of gymnastics performed on a wooden pole or rope, is a test of strength, balance, and flexibility. It has been practiced for centuries to enhance physical fitness and agility among wrestlers and martial artists. Similarly, kushti, or traditional Indian wrestling, has been an integral part of Indian sports culture for generations. Practiced in akhras, wrestling schools, kushti emphasizes discipline, rigorous training, and a strict diet. It has produced legendary wrestlers who have represented India on global platforms, keeping the sport alive despite the dominance of modern wrestling formats. The resurgence of interest in traditional Indian sports has been driven by efforts to preserve cultural heritage and promote indigenous athletic talent. The government, along with various sports organizations, has been working to revive these games by organizing national and international tournaments. Schools and universities are also encouraging students to participate in these sports to ensure their continuity. Additionally, the advent of digital platforms has helped popularize these sports, bringing them to a global audience. As India moves forward in the world of sports, maintaining a balance between modern and traditional games is crucial to preserving the country's rich sporting legacy. The revival and promotion of these traditional sports will not only keep history alive but also inspire future generations to embrace their cultural roots while excelling in physical fitness and competitive sports. Stop. Thank you.